Want to know how to enable Instagram location just using settings? Well, no worries. If you can't enable your Instagram location just from the map, there is another way to do it as well, which is going through your app settings. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can do it on your Android application. So it's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Instagram application and you can check once if your location can be shared. If it's not, just simply head back, hold on to your application and select app settings or app information. And once I've run that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So you can just simply scroll a little bit down and here you should be seeing notifications, and right above that you should be seeing app permissions. So just simply select app permissions right here, and here you should be seeing location as well. So for me right now is allowed, and if it's not allowed it should be under not allowed right here. So just simply select it and then select allowed right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now this, you can just simply open up your Instagram application and then share your location. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.